If you've spotted droppings or heard scratching behind your walls, don't ignore it. Mice and rats multiply quickly and bring serious health risks and costly damage. That's why homeowners and businesses across the GTA trust Durapest. Serving Toronto, Mississauga, Vaughan, Pickering, and beyond, Durapest offers fast, affordable, and highly effective rodent control. Their licensed technicians, each with over 15 years of experience, start with a detailed inspection. Durapest goes beyond extermination. They seal all entry points backed by a 5-year warranty and offer full sanitization to make your space clean and safe again. With 24/7 emergency service, transparent pricing, and a proven track record, Durapest is your trusted partner for long-term rodent removal and prevention across the GTA. Don't wait. Rodents won't stop, and neither do we. Act now.